On the evening of May 5, 2023, the sun was setting over Pisgah National Forest near Asheville, North Carolina, as Rachel Mitchell and her 7-year-old daughter, Lily, enjoyed a hike. But when Rachel briefly lost sight of Lily, panic set in. Her daughter had wandered off the trail, and now Rachel couldn't find her. With the sky darkening and her fear mounting, she began to shout for Lily, but the only response was the rustling of the trees. Just as her panic reached its peak, a sharp bark echoed through the woods. A scruffy, medium-sized dog appeared from the shadows, wagging its tail and looking at her with focused eyes. Without a second thought, Rachel followed the dog as it darted through the forest. The dog led her through the dense woods, stopping occasionally to make sure she was still behind. After what felt like an eternity, the dog stopped in a clearing, and there, sitting on a fallen log, was Lily, safe, but shaken. Relieved, Rachel rushed to her daughter, holding her tightly. The dog stood a few feet away, watching them for a moment before quietly disappearing back into the forest. Rachel called after it, but it was gone. When the authorities arrived, they couldn't explain how Rachel had found Lily so quickly, nor the mysterious dog's timely appearance. Weeks later, Rachel learned of a local legend about a guardian dog that helped lost hikers find their way. While she didn't know if the story was true, she knew the dog had saved her daughter. From that day on, whenever Rachel passed the forest, she couldn't help but look toward the trees, wondering if her mysterious savior was still watching over them.